Unlock the full potential of your edited masterpiece by mastering the art of exporting from Adobe Premiere Pro. Once your masterpiece is complete, the next crucial step is bringing it to life for the world to see by rendering your video. Let's dive into Premiere Pro's export settings. Navigate to File, then Export, and select Media. This opens up the powerful export window for most online platforms like YouTube. H.264 is your go-to format. It offers a fantastic balance between quality and file size. Now, let's talk presets. Premiere Pro offers a range of presets tailored for specific platforms. For YouTube 1080p, simply scroll down the preset list and select YouTube 1080p Full HD. If you need more control or are exporting for a different purpose, you can customize everything under the Video tab. Ensure your resolution matches your sequence settings. Usually 1920 by 1080 for HD. Your frame rate should also be consistent with your project, commonly 23,976, 25, or 2,997 frames per second. Moving to bitrate settings is key for quality. For a good balance, try VBR, variable bitrate. One pass. Start with a target bitrate of around 10-15 Mbps for 1080p, and for 4K, aim higher, perhaps 3,550 Mbps. You can always adjust this based on your content and desired file size. Don't forget to specify your output file name and location by clicking on the output name. This is where your rendered video will be saved. Finally, with all your settings dialed in, hit that export button. Premiere Pro will now process your project, creating a high-quality video file ready for sharing. And there you have it, your expertly rendered video, perfectly optimized and ready to captivate your audience. Happy exporting!